So, no seam. Because that wall was 12. That was 13, so I just needed a 12-foot run. 13, no seam. Same thing, no seam. It's close, it's not done. Got this little piece to do still. Just didn't know where I was going to end that, but it's all ready to put in the master. Same thing, no seam, because it was less than 12 wide, and I had a 22-foot length, so still needs to be stretched a little bit. I just could not kick anymore. Anyways, almost done. You have our new sink and the hardwood, or the laminate, vinyl laminate. Still need to get the granite in here. They're gonna scrape the ceilings, remove the popcorn. We're all good.